Hey everybody, it's kind of late, but I'm back with a really quick video. I've been gone for a long time, as you all can tell, only because I've been working really hard both on my personal business and my clients' businesses. So I needed to have that time for them. But this really quick video is going to be about how a company spent almost $9,000 and got 26 sales. Now, that company was actually my company, so I am my own case study. And so I did spend almost $9,000. You can see right here at the bottom it says 4,300, right? But if I go to my deleted campaigns, and this is from last month, right? So if I go to my deleted campaigns, you see another $4,400 there. So the reason why it's like this is because I had so many campaigns, I had to delete some because I'm going to start over. And so that's why you see that. But let's go over here. So the list actually keeps going up for the sales, but I just wanted to put it from the 4th all the way down here so you can see that I'm still making sales with my team. So put this over here. So I did this for a few reasons, and one of the reasons is mainly because I just really got tired of trying to convince people that I really know what I'm doing. And to be fair, I've been selling solar since about August of last year, but this month really decided to go all in. And so this is where we're at. So I really want to hit over 30 sales this month. It'd be nice if we hit 50 because we just hired 2 more people. But even though this is all glorious, I still got like 38 credit declines. 38 credit declines, but we got 26 approvals. We even, out of those 38 credit declines, I actually gave some of those leads to a friend that's in Tucson, Arizona, because he's with Vivint, and he was actually able to get some of those deals approved through Vivint just by typing in their home address, because I guess Vivint does this thing to where if you type in the home address, they'll approve it or disapprove it. So that's it. Spent almost $9,000, 26 sales, 38 credit declines. Out of 38 credit declines, got 3 of them revived through Vivint's program. And I wish Vivint was in Texas too, because I'd be able to maybe recapture half of those leads that got credit decline, but I don't know. But hope you guys are doing well. I do plan on doing some more content so that you all can see some more helpful videos. But I just wanted to show you all that that I basically got tired of depending on others to give me the green light to go ahead and help their business. And I just started looking at my own self in the mirror and helping my own self so that I can be successful myself. So nowadays I'm still doing some campaigns for other companies, but not that much. And I'm almost at capacity for how many clients I can take. But I do thank you guys for your support. Hope you guys are staying safe. I'll talk to you later.